Ever wonders how Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's right-hand man, achieved his first $1 million? What if you could follow his exact 5-step process to financial success? Discover the proven strategies Munger used to build his wealth and learn how to apply them to your own financial freedom journey. Step number 1. Setting clear goals. Setting clear and specific financial goals is the foundation for achieving wealth accumulation and success. One effective framework for goal setting is the concept of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By defining objectives in this manner, you create a roadmap that guides your actions and keeps you focused on your financial aspirations. Consider the story of Sarah, a young investor who set a clear goal of reaching her first $1 million by the age of 35. Sarah meticulously planned her investments, tracked her progress regularly, and made adjustments along the way to stay on course. Through discipline and determination, Sarah achieved her goal and surpassed the $1 million mark, showcasing the power of setting specific financial targets. To define your own financial objectives, start by identifying what wealth means to you and where you envision yourself in the future. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps that align with the SMART criteria. Set measurable milestones such as saving a certain amount each month or investing in specific assets to track your progress. Stay motivated by visualizing the benefits of achieving your financial goals and regularly reassessing and adjusting your plan as needed. Remember, setting clear financial goals is not just about the destination, but also about the journey. It's about creating a plan that will guide you towards financial success and empower you to take control of your financial future. Stay tuned as we explore the next steps towards achieving your first $1 million with Charlie Munger's insights and strategies. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Step number 2. Continuous learning and improvement in the pursuit of financial success. The value of continuous learning and self-improvement cannot be overstated. Charlie Munger, a staunch advocate of lifelong learning, famously espouses the philosophy of always be learning. Munger believes that expanding one's knowledge base and honing critical thinking skills are essential for making informed decisions and achieving wealth creation. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning, individuals can adapt to changing market conditions, identify new opportunities, and stay ahead in the world of finance. Take the example of John, who recognized the importance of investing in his education to enhance his financial prospects. John dedicated time and resources to acquiring new skills, attending workshops, and pursuing advanced certifications in his field. As a result of his commitment to continuous learning, John not only saw significant financial growth in his career, but also gained the confidence to explore new investments opportunities and build a diversified portfolio. To enhance your own knowledge and skills in the realm of finance, consider leveraging various resources and strategies. Engage in reading books, attending seminars, and following reputable financial experts to stay informed about market trends and investment strategies. Additionally, seek out mentorship opportunities and networking events to learn from seasoned professionals and gain valuable insights into wealth creation. By prioritizing continuous learning and improvement, you can position yourself for long-term financial success and growth. Step number 3. Cultivating patience and discipline. Patience and discipline are key virtues that play a crucial role in building wealth over time. Charlie Munger's investment principles emphasize the importance of maintaining a long-term perspective and exercising discipline in financial decision-making. By cultivating patience and discipline, individuals can resist impulsive actions with market fluctuations and stay committed to their wealth-building goals. One fundamental concept that underpins the relationship between patience and financial success is delayed gratification. This principle involves forgoing immediate rewards in favor of long-term gains, allowing investments to grow and compound over time. By exercising patience and resisting the temptation to make hasty decisions, individuals can position themselves for sustainable wealth accumulation and financial stability. Consider the story of Emily, who remained disciplined in her investment approach despite market volatility and external pressures. Emily stayed focused on her long-term financial goals, consistently contributing to her investment portfolio and refraining from making emotional decisions during turbulent times. As a result of her patience and discipline, Emily reaped substantial rewards and saw her wealth grow steadily over the years. To develop patience and discipline in your financial journey, set clear goals, create a structured investment plan, and stick to your strategy even in challenging times. Practice mindfulness and self-control when faced with compulsive urges, and seek support from financial advisors or mentors to stay accountable and on track. By fostering patience and discipline, you can navigate the ups and downs of the market with resilience and fortitude, ultimately paving the way for long-term financial success. Practicing delayed gratification is key to reaping greater rewards in the future. While it may be tempting to seek immediate returns or make impulsive decisions, exercising patience and discipline can lead to more significant long-term gains. By staying committed to your financial goals and making strategic decisions based on long-term outlook, you can position yourself for success and build wealth over time. By incorporating these guidelines and practicing patience and discipline in your financial journey, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success and work towards making your first $1 million. Stay tuned as we explore more strategies and insights from Charlie Munger on cultivating these essential traits for wealth accumulation. Step number 4: strategic decision making. Making informed and strategic financial decisions is essential for effectively growing wealth over time. Rational thinking and avoiding impulsive choices are key principles that underpin successful wealth accumulation strategies. Charlie Munger advocates for the importance of thoughtful decision-making based on sound reasoning and analysis, rather than succumbing to emotional impulses or market hype. One crucial aspect of strategic decision-making is the ability to assess risks and rewards objectively, weighing potential outcomes before taking action. By approaching financial matters with a strategic mindset, individuals can mitigate risks, capitalize on opportunities, and optimize their investment returns for long-term growth. Take the example of Mark, a successful investor who applies strategic decision-making to multiply his wealth. Mark conducted thorough research, diversified his portfolio, and maintained a disciplined approach to investment management. By carefully evaluating market trends and making calculated decisions, Mark was able to navigate volatile market conditions and achieve significant financial gains over time. To help viewers make sound financial decisions aligned with their goals, consider utilizing tools and frameworks such as risk assessment models, asset allocation strategies, and investment calculators. These resources can provide valuable insights and guidance in evaluating investment options, optimizing portfolio performance, and staying on track with financial objectives. By incorporating strategic decision-making practices into your financial planning, you can enhance your wealth-building efforts and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Step number 5: seeking mentorship and collaboration. Seeking guidance from mentors and collaborating with like-minded individuals can significantly impact your journey towards achieving financial goals. Charlie Munger places a strong emphasis on the value of mentorship and learning from the experiences of others. By seeking mentorship, individuals can gain valuable insights, avoid common pitfalls, and accelerate their learning curve in the realm of finance. Consider the testimonial of Rachel, who experienced accelerated financial growth through mentorship and networking. By connecting with seasoned professionals in the industry, Rachel received personalized guidance, access to valuable resources, and opportunities to expand her network. Through collaborative efforts and mentorship relationships, Rachel was able to navigate complex financial decisions with confidence and achieve remarkable success in her investment endeavors. To find mentors and build a supportive financial community, viewers can explore various avenues such as industry events, networking groups, online forums, and mentorship programs. Reach out to professionals in your field of interest, attend workshops and seminars, and actively seek opportunities to connect with experienced individuals who can offer guidance and support. Building a strong network of mentors and collaborators can provide a wealth of knowledge, insights, and encouragement to help you stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. By embracing mentorship and collaboration, you can tap into a wealth of expertise, leverage collective wisdom, and enhance your chances of achieving financial success in a collaborative and supportive environment. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.